Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How are you? Hope so, everyone fine. This is the summary video for today lesson. So let's start. Subject Science, Learner Book, Class 5, Unit 2, The Life Cycle of Flowering Plants. Lesson 2.1, Why Plants Have Flower. Why Plants Have Flower. Lesson 2.1 from your Learner Book. Learner Book, page number 18. So let's start. First of all, learning objective. Today you learn about that plants reproduce. Plants reproduce with the help of seed a new plant, like in a cycle, life cycle. Make relevant observation from the topic about plants and interpret data and think about whether it is sufficient to draw conclusion. So let's start. The life cycle of flowering plant. Why plant have flower? What's the reason? Without flower, is there any new plant grow or a life cycle will be continue? Many plants have flowers, yes, but not all. Many plants have flowers. There are many different kinds of flower. Seed from inside fruit, but where do fruits come from? All the question coming in your mind. Also, why do plants have flowers? Why do plants have flower? What's the reason? For what purpose? Is it to smell nice? Flower just we are just using for smell purpose, or is there anything else? First of all, you should know about different flowers and their jobs. What job do flowers do? No matter what the size, color, or scent, smell, all flowers do the same important job. Okay, almost all flowers doing the same important job. Can you think what it is? Some flowers are big. We can see some flowers are big. Some flowers are small. Some flowers are colorful, not at one color, different colors. And some flowers are brightly colored or not brightly colored, not watchable, not looking better. So some flowers are not brightly colored or bright colored. And some flowers have scent, mean give a smell, and we can smell it. But other do not have scent. Some flower have scent and someone no. So what do you think? What is the job of the flower? Flower in the last chapter lesson, sorry, in the unit one, I told you about flower. With the help of flower, the new plant, with the help of flower, the new plant will grow. With the help of flower, it helps to make seed for a new plant. Flower help to make seed for a new flower. On the next page, when a plant produces flower, the flower usually lasts only a few days. It's mean not all the time flower on the plant available. No, just for a few days. After this, what happened? Then they wither, shrilled or fell and fell off the plant, and not stay there. It will shrill or fell off from the plant. However, parts of the flower stays behind on the plant. Ah, it's not mean all the flower go. Just some part of the flower stay behind on the plant, and it change where it change into. Let's read. This part become the fruit. It will change into the fruit. So that flower change into the fruits. Other flower fallen down or change into wither. Okay. The seeds form inside the fruit. Okay, the seeds form or made inside the fruit. Yes, you can see, open the fruit, you can see inside seeds, different fruit. Papaya in lesson unit 1, okay, and the chapter of seed, lesson 1.1. You know this, if you cut a fruit, you can see inside different seeds. So the seeds grow into a new plant. So it's mean from the flower change into plant, change into fruit, and from fruit you will get again new seed. For what? For growing a new plant. The new plants grow and produce flower, and again this process continue. The new plants, it will grow and then again produce new flowers to farms, new fruits. Okay, and then from flowers again new fruits coming, and then again new seed. And like this is a life cycle continue. So flowers help the plant reproduce to form new plants. So flower, what's the job of flower, or what the flower doing on a plant? Help the plant to reproduce or to form new plants. Okay, everyone, understand the question? Why do plant have flower? For what purpose? For it helps the new plant for making seed. Okay, with flower change into fruit, and then from the fruit new seed come. Like this the life cycle of flower, life cycle of plant continue. You have an activity, collect some flower. It's upon you. If you want to do, you can do it. I just show you some. Here you can see a table. Dinah and Jojo counted the number of flowers of different color. This is according to you. You can collect it. Okay, make the group of 5 or 6 students, and as you calculate the flower according to their color. Okay, like flower color pink, number of flowers counted mean collected 7, white 10, red 4, blue 2, and brown 1. So like this you collect different colors flower. Now the question he want, draw a bar chart. This is not on your book, okay? This is from my side. Draw a bar chart. This is a worksheet. Draw a bar chart of their result. Now you have a table. So it's easy. You can draw a bar chart. Flower color. You can write here pink, white, red, blue, brown. And the number of flower count, you will continue like 2 each represent 2 number of flower. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have the biggest number 10. Yes. And then after this need to draw. Let's I show you like this. Look, pink, number of flowers 7. We collect pink color flowers 7. White, we collect how many flowers? 10. 10 white flowers. Like this, red, 4 a red flower. Yes. And blue, how many blue? 2. 2 blue flower. And what about brown? How many brown? It's not 4, it's 3. In the center, it's showing us 3. Like this one 7, this one showing us 3 flowers. Okay. After this, the exercise, copy and complete these sentences. Space or dash, germinate and grow into what? Germinate and grow seeds. Obviously, seeds germinate and grow into new plants. Seeds germinate, and grow into new plants. This is the first step. From seed, the plant process start and change into the plant. The plant form dash that become fruit, flowers. The plants form flowers. Yani plants make flowers which will change into fruit, okay, or become fruits. The fruits contain again seeds. The fruit contains seed. This is a life cycle of a plant. Contains seed, again change into plant, again flower, form flower, and then again seed. Like this will continue. Why don't we usually find flowers and fruit on a peach tree? On a peach tree, I told you, not all the plant have flowers. Okay, not all. Why do we usually find flowers and fruit on a peach tree at the same time? But here he will not ask about don't have peach tree flower. He say at the same time we don't find flower and fruit. Why? Because we don't usually find flowers and fruit on the peach tree at the same time, because the peach fruits form. It's made from where? Fruits made from where? From the peach flower. Here I told you Flower, a plant form flowers, which will change or which become fruits. When it will become fruits, then how you can see the flowers? So that's why we cannot see the flowers and fruit at the same time. Many flowers fallen down, and some change into the fruits. Okay, what you have learned in this lesson: most plant have flowers, but not all. But not all the plants. Flowers can be big or small. Yes, we know it. Colorful, also different colors, or non-colored. Colorful or non-colored. Yes, and scented means with smell and with no smell, unscented. Flower from fruit. Flower from fruit, making fruits. Flower help plant to reproduce. Yes, flower help the plant to reproduce. Okay, everyone. I will upload the video. You also you don't have homework still. From the next week, your homework started. So just if you want to do it, just go to your activity book and check lesson 2.1. If you can do it, do it. Okay, or wait for the next week. Okay, everyone. Goodbye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.